I will show you how to auto DM anyone who comments on your Instagram post and turn 50% of your commenters into leads. And with this funnel, we will collect their name and email in the DMs and send automatic reminders if they stop replying. And this is the exact strategy I've used to generate over 150,000 leads for my clients. And you will get my template for free so you can copy and paste everything. But first, let me show you how this works on Instagram. So now I am on Instagram, and if I go to a post, it says comment loss below and I will send over my free guide. So then if I comment with loss, I automatically get this DM saying, looks like you're ready to start losing some weight. I put together a free fat loss guide. Just click the button below. So when I click this button, it says, awesome, just a few quick steps to get you access. What is your first name? So then I type in my first name. It says, nice to meet you, Joran. And on what email do you want to receive your guide? And now I'm going to wait for a bit so to show you that it can automatically send reminders as well. And then it sends an automatic reminder with you're just one small step away from losing weight. Just type in your email below. So then I type in my email and then it says, you're all set, Joran. Can't wait for you to get started with losing weight. Just click the button below to get instant access. So now that you've seen how this works, let's build it out step by step. And with this funnel, I consistently get a 50% conversion rate or more for all of my clients. So we will build this using a tool called ManyChat. And it's one of the easiest ways to create Instagram DM automations, and I use it all the time for my clients. And I use it because it's easy to use, 100% meta approved, and cheap. They offer a free plan, and the first pay plan starts at $14 a month. So if you don't have a ManyChat account yet, you can just go to the link in the description. Here you will find my link and find my discount code that gives you 1 month of the pro plan for free. And full disclaimer, this is an affiliate link, so if you pay ManyChat after your first free month, I get a commission, but it doesn't have any influence on the price you pay, and it helps me to create free videos like these. So you can just go to the link in the description, or you can just go to channelmize.com/MC, and that will bring you directly to the ManyChat website. And then here you can just click on get started and then continue with your Facebook account. And I recommend going with the Facebook account that's connected to your Instagram account. Once you have connected your Facebook account, the next step is to connect your Instagram account to ManyChat. And I have a separate video on my YouTube channel that explains how you can do that. So after you've watched this video, I recommend going to that video as well. I already have an account, so I would just click here on sign in and then click on sign in with Facebook. So now I'm logged into ManyChat, and usually you should go to automation and create your first automation. But I made this easier for you because we're going to use the template I give away in my free school community. So if you're not in there yet, you can join for free with the link in the description. Once you are in, you can just go here to the classroom, then go to the ManyChat Masterclass Lite, and then launch your first funnel with ManyChat. And then here we have the ManyChat lead generation template. And what you can do is you can just click here on install, then select the page you want to install this for. So in my case, that's Channelmize demo, and then click on install now. So now the template is installed on my ManyChat account. And then if you go to automation, you will find a folder called free lead generation funnel 2026 Channelmize. And here that has a separate folder with 2 automations in it. One is to confirm the interest, that is to send the first message. The other one is to get the information, so to get someone's name, get their email, and actually deliver your free guides. And we're going to set them up one by one. So let's start with the first one. So what we do in this first automation is that we automatically reply with a message in the DMs when someone comments on your post. So the first thing that we need to do is set up when we want to automatically reply. So you can just click here. So the first thing we need to determine is to what post you want to automatically reply. You can go with a specific one, with all, or with the next post or reel. I recommend going with all posts or reels because then we can just create one automation and then reuse that in all of our posts and reels. So I select here all posts or reels. Then you need to determine the words we want to automatically reply to. So since we are giving away a free fat loss guide in this tutorial, I'm going with the word loss. I would just remove these ones and I will also add one variation. I always recommend adding some variations because it could be that people misspell this word. So then we can click on continue, and then we need to set up the public reply in the feed. So the public reply is an automatic comment in the comment section. So someone comments with the word loss, and then we can automatically reply to that comment with another comment. And in this comment, you want to do 2 things. You want to excite them for the thing that they will be getting, which is a free guide. And you want to say to them that they need to go to the DMs and check their message request as well, because it could be that your message ends up in their message request folder. So what we're going to do here is going to copy this from my second screen. We're going to set up 3 replies, and here we are going to say, can't wait for you to start with losing weight. Please check your DMs. Then here we say, let's get started with losing weight. Just send a DM. And then lastly, we say, that's the first step to losing weight, and check your DMs and message requests. What ManyChat will do, it will randomly pick one of these replies and then add that as the comments reply. And that will make sure that it doesn't look spammy in your comment section. So once that is done, then we can send our first message in the DMs, and that is this message. And with this message, you need to make sure that this is set to send as a private reply, because otherwise it doesn't work. And then as a message, we're going to say, looks like you're ready to start losing some weight. I put together a free fat loss guide that shows you exactly how to lose fat without starving yourself and doing crazy workouts. Just click the button below or reply with fat loss and I will send it over. And then here we have a quick reply. So a quick reply is a button where people can click on in the DMs. So once they click on this button, then they go to the next automation. Before we're going to set that up, there's just one thing I want to talk to you about, and that is this. Here we say, just click the button below or reply with fat loss. And the reason we do this is that this quick reply is only visible on mobile, but it's not visible on desktop. And this is an Instagram limitation. So quick replies in general are not visible on desktop. They're only visible on mobile. So that's the reason why we say just click the button below or reply with fat loss, so that if people are on desktop, they can just reply with fat loss and then they can also continue with the funnel. And if people are on mobile, they can just click this quick reply. So that's basically the reason why we do that. So here we can just click on update, and then we go to the next step, which is opening the new automation, and here we get the information. So the first step that we need to do here is we need to change this trigger. So this is the trigger with fat loss. So if a message begins with fat loss, then we want to trigger this automation. So in order to do that, we're going to set this to fat loss, and we will add some variation. So I will add fat loss with a space, and then also fat loss with single quotes and with double quotes, and then click on save. So this, and you need to enable this as well. So this makes sure that either they click on this quick reply, that is this trigger, or they send a message with fat loss, that is this trigger, and then we send this next message. So here we say, awesome, just a few quick steps to get you access. What is your first name? And here we use a data collection element in ManyChat. A data collection element in ManyChat is just a way to collect data from people that are inside your DMs. And you can add that just by clicking here, the data collection, and then you can set it up. I already set it up in my template, so you can just click on this, and you can set the reply type to first name, and we set the data collection expires in 3 minutes. This is very important because this determines how fast we're going to send our reminder if people are not going to reply. So if people don't reply to this message, we automatically send the next message. Here we say, you're just 2 small steps away from, in this case, earning passive income, but we're going to change that. By connecting the if contact has not responded to this one, it makes sure that if someone doesn't reply for 3 minutes, we automatically send this reminder. That's what we automatically do. So let's customize this to our funnel. So here we're going to say, you're just 2 small steps away from losing weight. Just type in your first name below to get your instant access to my free fat loss guide. So that's what we do. And then if someone doesn't reply to this question within 23 hours, then we send the last reminder where we say, last reminder, you almost have access to my free, and then we say fat loss guide. Just type in your first name below. So that's the last reminder that we sent. So we basically ask a question. If they don't reply within 3 minutes, we send them a reminder and ask the same question. And then if they don't reply to this question within 23 hours, we send the last reminder. Then if they reply to any of those questions, then we say, nice to meet you, first name. And this is the first name that they entered. So if you want to use these kinds of fields, what you can do in ManyChat is you can just click on these brackets, or you can just type in a bracket, and then you can select the first name. So that's what we do over here. So it says, nice to meet you, first name, and on what email do you want to receive your guide? And then here the reply type is email. And this is very important because if you set the reply type to email, ManyChat will automatically check if the given email is actually an email or it's not an email. And then if it's not an email, it will automatically send a retry message. So then it will say, it looks like this isn't a correct email. Could you enter a correct one? So again, we set a data collection expires to 3 minutes. So then here we say, you're just 2 small steps away from losing weight. Just type in your email below to get instant access to my free fat loss guide. And then we do the same thing here. So last last reminder, you almost have access to my free fat loss guide. Just type in your email below. So that's basically what we do. Then if they reply with our email, we say, you're all set, first name. Can't wait for you to get started with losing weight. And then just click the button below to get instant access. Then if they click on this button, you can just send them to a Google Drive URL or to your website, basically where you've stored your guide or the free thing that you're giving away. That's basically how you set all of that up. And then you can click here on updates, and then that is working. That is working correctly. But there's another thing that you can do, because it could be that you're working with an email marketing program, for example, with a MailChimp or maybe with HubSpot or maybe with ActiveCampaign, so that if you collect someone's email in ManyChat, you can automatically add that to MailChimp or HubSpot or ActiveCampaign as well. So in order to do that, you can go here to settings and then go here to integrations. And then here you can see all the integrations that ManyChat has. So it has like a Flowdesk, it has Google Sheet, it has Hotmart, ChatGPT, but also direct connections with Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, and MailChimp. And what you can do here, you can connect your ManyChat account to an ActiveCampaign or to a MailChimp. Once you have done that, then what you can do is here at the end, you can add here an action. And then what will happen is that, for example, when you connect ManyChat to a MailChimp, MailChimp will appear over here. And you can just add someone to the list. So for example, if you would do this with Make, then you will find something with this, like trigger Make. It will say like trigger MailChimp. And then you can connect ManyChat to MailChimp so that each time you get someone's email, it's automatically added to your email marketing platform as well. But that's basically it. That's how you set up the entire thing. And then if you want to test this as well, you need to make sure that if you go here, that all of these triggers are enabled, that these are enabled as well. And then you can basically go to your Instagram account and test if that is working. So now if I go to Instagram here and I go to this post, and then I also comment with a separate account with loss. And then if I go here to my messages, you will see that I automatically get this. And it says, looks like you're ready to start losing some weight. Just click the button below or reply with fat loss and I will send it over. And that's it. That's how you can turn 50% of your commenters into leads. And if you want to copy this exact setup, you can grab the free template inside my school community with the link in the description. But this is just a setup. If you want to see how this actually makes money, you should watch this next video, because in that one, I show you how one of my clients generated over $14,000 with a free workshop.